Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture of Nepal Parichay. So we have covered the chapter 3. So we will continue from chapter 4 here today. This is a new chapter, Public Administration of Nepal. So let us begin this. Public administrations has been found in the existence since the dawn of the state rule systems. The main objective and responsibility of the public administrations is to maintain the law and order and provide the services and security prescribed by the state. Studying of the history of Nepal reveals that the Kathmandu Valley was ruled by the Gopal dynasty, Kirat dynasty, Lichavi dynasty, Mallar dynasty, Sahar dynasty. The western part was ruled by the Khas dynasty. The southern western Tarai Kapilvastu was ruled by the Sakya dynasty. The region of the southwestern Tarai was ruled by the Karnataka dynasty. The capital of Kathmandu Valley, Khas state, Kapilvastu, Doya, Tirhut of Karnataka dynasty were Kathmandu, Sinjar, Lumbini, Simrongarh respectively. So this was the main administration building of Singha Darbar. You can see here. Similarly, the Tharu caste in the Dang and Maithili speakers in the Janakpur are found to be ruled there. In the ancient Nepal, there were a small state in the geographical peaks, region and territories, and the land had their own types of rudimentary administration system. Public administration systems had been found to be developed after the unification of Nepal. It is appropriate to study the administrations of the Nepal by dividing it into the four categories on the basis of the time period. The first one is the ancient period prior to the unifications. Second one is the medieval period till the end of Rana rule. Third one is the modern period before the promulgation of interim constitution of Nepal 2063, and the last one is the post-modern period, the situation after the promulgation of interim constitution of Nepal 2063. So we'll continue with the first, that is ancient period. As the ancient period of the public administration belonged to the pre-integration period, this has to cover the administration of Kathmandu Valley, the Khas region, Kapilvastu, Doya state, Mithila region, Tharu area. In some words, it is a matter of a research how the public administration looked like in that period. However, the public administration of the period used to be centered by the king. The king used to be ruled based on the religious book. The confidant of the king used to be given the responsibility of war and collection of revenue. There used to be a no division of the position of the work. Emphasis is used to be given to the development of the military power only. In the course of a time, the ancient Nepal happened to be divided into three sections, Kathmandu, Tirhut and Khas state. The period is also called the dark period. Analysis of the history reveals that the kings used to appoint the council of ministers to rule over the country during the Lichvi period. Amatya and the ministers used to appoint in the council of ministers. In order to help rule the country, the authorities like Swara, Dandanayak, Dandanayak Mahapratihar Pratihar used to be appointed. Decentralized rule used to be exercised by dividing the country into various Dranga, that is district, Gram, that is villages, and Tala, that is market. Panchali, a group of people used to rule the at the local level. So the king had been all involved of the Mulla period too. Princes would succeed the kings. However, ministers and military commanders used to be appointed to rule, to help the rule. In order to survive the competition with each other, the Mulla kings used to spend a lot of money on the army. There was a monarchical systems in the ancient time. The kings used to rule on the basis of religious scripture, Niti Shastra of the book of popular wisdom, Dharmagya, the religious injunctions, the agencies of the Lichavi period, Kuthar Adhikarna, tribunals, the agency that collects the tax on the land or the agency works for the land revenue. Mapchok. The agency working for the matters related to the marriage, divorce. Lingual, the agency working for on the dam, canals and roads. Suli, Sola, Adhikaran, that is tribunal, the agency to investigate and give justice on the five crimes: theft, killing, fornications, insurgency, and helper on this. Three types of the tax were used in the Lichvi period. Bhag tax, the tax applicable on the land and the ground or the agriculture. Bhog tax, the tax applicable on the cattle farming. Tax applicable on the industry, commercial and trade. Other types of taxes are Sikar, the tax applicable on the furniture. Chaikar, tax applicable on the clothes. Taikar, Tlaikar, the tax applicable in the oil. Apankar, the tax applicable on the soap. Malla Yudha, a tax applicable on the bullfighting and entertainment. Positions. Let us discuss about the position on the position of the Lichavi period. Mahaswarva Dandanayak, the Chief Justice. Sarvada Nayak, Sarvada Dandanayak, the Justice. Dandanayak, the Chief of Police. Bhatta, Soldier. Pradhan, Village Administrations. Samant, Administrations. Parsa Adhikrit, Adhikrit, that is the head of office. Mahaballa Mahabal Adhyaksh, commander in chief. Gomil, Gomik, that is chief of army. Amatya, the minister level of authority. Patihar, officer overseeing the royal palace affair. Mahapratiyar, that is the head overseeing the royal palace. Dukat, that is one who circulates the royal announcement. Yubaraj, the would be the king. Dut, one who looks for the agriculture, forest, irrigation, and trade. Position in the Malla period. Chautara, the prime minister. Amatya, the position equivalent to the ministers. Dware, the one who looks after the row in the village. Pradhan, the one who oversees toll in small areas. Kardar, one who gives the justice to the visiting. Thakali, the chief of Pancha. Umra, the officers, army officer. Kotnayak, the defender of the fort. Samanta, administration. Ubhaya, the army authority. Chibandel, one who oversees the store of the king and manages the food. Charidar, investigation officer. Kotwal, one who oversees the peace and security. Taksari, one who makes the coin. Serious crime, theft, snatching away from the wives, crime against the state, killing of the cows, killing of the children, killing of the females, killing of the parents, killing of the teachers. Agency. Dolpa, the agency which oversees the canal and water courses. Um, Bisya, the district. Panchasamuchya, the agency which oversees the minor disciples group of the elderly peoples. Now next one is the Bhardari Sabha, that is Rajya Sabha, the council of states. Taskari, the place of making coins. So we'll stop now here. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the medieval period.